This is a biology test and only good students can get 5 on 5. So are you one of them? Let's just start the quiz. Number 1, what is the pH value range of human blood? You have 4 options in front of your eyes. Just select one option. The right answer is D. The second one is, which one is the longest bone in human body? You have again 4 options. You have to select one among 4. The right answer is D again. Third one is, nitrogen fixation process in the soil is done by. Again, you have 4 good options. You have to select one among 4 of them. The right answer is B, that's bacteria. Now the fourth one is, how many pair of chromosomes are found in human cell? Again, you have 4 options, A, B, C, and D. Well, the right answer is right in front of your eyes, that is B23. Well, the last one is, chromosomes contains. Again, you have 4 good options. You have to select one among them. And the right answer is proteins.